Hello anyone, this is Anything, you can call me Az. I'll be here every other day live streaming AIQA. That's quality assurance for AI generated web applications. Here we are at Az.Gazzola.Dev. This is a free to use platform that I created to enable users to generate their own web application starter kit. We start off by defining the app title and the description. We then go on to select the authentication method. I'm just going with a magic link, and then it will generate a suggested set of layouts and pages that will perform the functionality of the app. Each of the pages and layouts has a description and a route. We can edit the layouts that inform the pages as well as the access control for each, and we can add, edit, or delete any of this as well. And we use that to generate the README, which will look something like this. It gives us an overview and defines what each of the pages do and who can access each of the pages. We can then select the theme. I'm going to go straight for bubblegum just because it's a fun sort of playful theme for the kind of app that I'm building. But you can go through and actually select each of the primary and secondary colors, all of the typography, the shadows, rounding, spacing, everything like that. Then we define the app directory. This starts off by generating a set of suggested features that will be used in each of the layouts and pages that were defined in the previous step. We then use that to generate the app directory structure itself, which looks like this. This is basically the logic architecture of your app. And this tells us where, so for example, this page, we have one feature. We can add another feature or delete it, edit it. And this also shows us where each of these supporting functions are located. So this hook is located in this hook file. So then we move on to the database, and this starts off by generating a suggested set of tables with a description of each. We then use that to generate the full database structure itself, and we can still go in and edit the schemas, tables, and columns directly, including all of the RLS rules. Then the last step is to go through each of these steps to set up your environment. So we set up GitHub, VS Code, Claude Code. We connect those two together. Then we set up the database via Supabase. We connect GitHub to VS Code. We copy a prompt that will set up the Next.js environment and all the local environment dependencies that we need. And the last step is to download the starter kit itself with all the files, all the configuration files, and to copy the starter kit prompt. Then you just throw that into Claude Code in VS Code, and it will come out looking something like this. And so this is the generated web app. At the moment, it's still very foundational, but it's a great starting point. So if you'd like to try it out, feel free to go to Az.Gazzola.Dev, and you can also get in touch for quality assurance.